second type of hepatic architecture, that is known as portal lobule. See, this is called portal lobule. With yellow dots I have drawn. The central part of the portal lobule, it is occupied by the portal triad. I have already discussed, and it is drawn by joining the central veins of three adjacent liver lobules, hepatic lobules. So this yellow dotted structure is the portal lobule. This is the nutritional unit of liver. This portal lobule, it is getting nutrition from the portal vein as well as the hepatic arteriole present within the portal triad, and also this is draining via this bile ductus. Ultimately, there will be via this bile ductus, via the canals. This is the bile ductus, and there will be one term that is called bile canaliculi. Now, what is bile canaliculi? If you come to this diagram, you see these yellow structures, yellow outlines. These are the hepatocytes. Remember, they are polyhedral and there may be more than one nuclei also in some cases, and they are metabolically very active. Now, this bile canaliculi, this bile canaliculi, see, I have labeled also, they are formed by the separation of the adjacent plasma membrane of the hepatocytes, and they are connected by tight junctions. So this is the bile canaliculi. Via this bile canaliculi, the bile from the hepatocytes will be draining via the canals of Hennig into this bile ductus, and ultimately these bile ductus will join to form the bile duct and then a hepatic duct. So this is a small concept of the bile canaliculi. Then here you will see that there is third type of liver architecture, that is called liver acinus of Rappaport. With purple dots I have seen. You see that there are certain branches of hepatic arteriole, portal, venule and bile ductus. They are running at right angles transversely, and they are forming the backbone. This diamond shape, the two angles, farthest angles, they are occupied by the central veins of two adjacent liver lobules. This is the metabolic unit. This is the metabolic unit of a liver, and it is divided into three zones: zone 1, zone 2 and zone 3 according to the vascular supply. Now, in this regard, a very small description about the blood supply of liver. First, we remember that these sinusoids, they are receiving a mixture of blood, okay, both from portal vein as well as from the hepatic arteriole, and ultimately they are draining into the central vein, and from this central vein via the sublobular veins, they are draining into the hepatic veins and ultimately into the inferior vena cava. So this is the blood supply of the hepatic blood circulation of liver. And you will also know that there are two types of spaces. One is known as space of Bisse, another is known as space of Mond. What is space of Bisse? Space of Bisse are the perisinusoidal spaces. Here, in between the hepatic laminae and the sinusoids, there lies some spaces. So this is the perisinusoidal space of Bisse, and please remember this is intralobular space, and total triad. And remember, this is interlobule. Thank you.